it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? My guys, doing again. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are with Nhance, with Dutty Mill. Let me just explain what has happened in the intro a while ago. You see, when you do something so often in a one particular tone, big words, particular blood clot, and you're going to change it at the last minute, you're going to fuck up. So don't fuck up. Be consistent. Alright? That's why I left that part in the video to show and say, listen, whatever you do, is if it's working, keep doing it. Don't try it. Because I say, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer. No, that never sound good. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. That one I don't know and that one I don't used to. So if you keep that one there, right? Right. Today we're there with Nhance Dutty Mill. Yes, in the video we are going. In the video. Ready? Nhance, a bad artist, you know, man. Rate Nhance, you know. Dutty Mill in a green. Money, now. Money green. You want to catch it? Yes. St. Kingston. Oh, I never see it. We got a production team.
Million of mobile friend. If you don't know cash code, you don't know where riches yet.
Is that you?
Dutty Mill, big house, fat car, double it, top nice. Dutty bitch, if she know up to my standard, man not fucking it.
Shit.
What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip. I can do what I want, remember my money big. I can do what I want, remember she me.
Him a tell us right now, remember say no. Him rich, him have choices. Yes. So if him have choices, body if he have choices. If a girl ugly, him nah go fuck it. Because the ugly girl them see, but they don't know say if you're ugly, but the G tell us say him nah go fuck it. Yes. If you're ugly, you can't get a touch off him body tip. Let's go.
I can do what I want, remember my money big. I can do what I want, remember she me a money. Rich money, this dolly. I travel with the big body, with the matic. Mama put her lips on it, sit on it, better yet split on it.
Bumbo Clad, the G I show you one different side, brother. Different side. Yeah. Production team, big up on yourself, man. Big house. Fat whip.
Million of mobile friend. If you don't know cash code, you don't know where riches yet.
Is that you?
Dutty Mill, big house, fat car, double it, top nice. Dutty bitch, if she know up to my standard, man not fucking it.
None.
What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip. I can do what I want, remember my money big. I can do what I want, remember she me a money. Rich money, this dolly. I travel with the big body, with the matic. Mama put her lips on it, sit on it, better yet split on it. Hold me young man, until I see me rich, no lie. For par with me, I have to risk your life. So now we outside, no bitch, don't cry. No ball to me, how you feel love the artist, mama your ass stupid. Wait.
No ball to me, I love your artist, mama your ass stupid. What?
Par with me, I have to risk your life. So now we outside, no bitch, don't
Ball
cry.
to me. Don't ball to me.
How you feel love the artist, mama your ass stupid. Wait. Every girl a talk to me. She before you plan for me, bitch, you talk to me.
So him a tell her right that say, mama, listen, don't be stupid. You can't fall in love with the artist. The artists have enough girl out there, so your heart a go broke. So protect your sanity. Don't fall in love with me. That's what the G is saying. Not me.
Wait. Every girl a talk to me.
Every girl.
Before you plan for me, bitch, you talk to me. Yeah. Had that more for see. 30 grand US lease for the brass jewelry. 30 mil me pull on since the last few weeks. So a fucking Benz truck is not a cost to me. Piece of that and piece of this. None change. Enhance is a piece of shit.
Piece of that and piece of this. Me nah change. Nhance is a piece of shit.
Piece of that and piece of this.
Yeah.
None change. Enhance is a piece of shit.
Yeah. understand? Big up the G them have them Mark X. But brother, Mark X is a fucking Toyota. Mark X is a Toyota, bro. When since Toyota a luxury. Big up the G them do them things still. I not yet for nobody. But don't feel like you buy a Mark X, you're rich, brother. Mark X come like Kingfish when Kingfish and they just forward out, brother. Come on, bro. Mark X, bro. He's not a beast. And in my eyes, he's not a beast. Yeah, Mark X is not a beast. I'm sorry, I'm not hating on nobody, but.
My money hot, fever. So what the fuck you buy a Mark X, you feel rich, bro. He's the fucking need that is look pa me neck, no feel a fridge. He's the fucking freezer this.
Man say look pa me neck, you feel a fridge. Cool ice. Icy. Call him the weatherman. Yeah.
I'm piece of this. Not change. Enhance is a piece of shit. My money hot, fever. So what the fuck you buy a Mark X, you feel rich, bro. He's the fucking need that is look pa me neck, no feel a fridge. He's the fucking freezer this.
Flow change, you know.
Turn your girl in a freak. I'm holding like my breeze. I laugh. And you see and test on me, go sit and talk me dog. Skill the way I say, dark me dog. I feel me kind of fast though, bro, me I go walk it off. Crown a blast me dog. Man I no lies, so who give fuck if police charge me dog. Remember me, bad man. Hack a fire shot, pam. Hold me young man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. For bar with me, I have to risk your life. So now we outside, no bitch, don't cry. Hold me young man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. If me broke your heart, no bitch, don't cry.
Don't cry.
Remember me till I
No.
have to risk your life. Pretty preps, you got the fattest pussy, girl, I got the stiffest breast. Make a key expensive. So if my plan for fuck you know, you got the richest sex. Your man broke him, should even vex.
If you plan for fuck, you know. Yo, I must say, him fuck expensive, mama. Him fuck expensive. So if him fuck you, just know says a rich fuck you get. And your man shouldn't vex neither, no, cause remember saying broke like board. Look in that road, man. Fines. Did I run back? Oh my god. Oh, this is what that button does.
Your man broke him, should even vex. Tell him for lock him out and shut him stinking breath. You wanna stink? I gotta show it in the bin. You wanna stink? I gotta show it in the bitch. You wanna stink? I gotta show a couple bricks.
Yo, the vast flow changing that one, your dog. Like, this is not the normal Enhance where we love and use to, brother. That one is different. The basket one different flow and different style, different image, everything different. That one, yeah. Yo, if you don't rate Enhance, drop a like on the video, yeah, man. Bumbuckler, you talented, yeah, brother. Dutty Mill, you to do it. Production team, cash code, big up on yourself. Yo, if you don't rate Enhance, drop a like on the video, yeah, dog. Yes, man. Drop a like on the video if you don't rate Enhance. The G do it. Yes. The G do it. Yes. Big up on yourself. Anyway, the rhythm name the Jota Rhythm. Yeah, cash code production. Yeah? But yeah. I'm gonna leave the one right so and I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Alright? If you don't want any more Enhance, man. Alright? Make sure to drop a sub as well. I'll catch you in the next one, man.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.